Ew. I know y'all see that, bro. Yeah, my tree finna fall, bro. I don't even know. What if my tree falls? I'm scared for my tree. But this is some heavy winds right here, bro. Like, this is heavy, bro. This is hurricane force at least. I hear something cracking. Man, we need to get these poles in the house or something. Like this is bad right here. I don't think we never had a storm this bad in February. Boy, imagine if the tree still had the leaves on them right now. Boy, it would have been. Whew. Bro, I'm scared for my tree because I don't know what's gonna happen. And this is like, that tree gonna be leaning, bro. My dog is crazy. They is terrified right now. Just hope no stick fall on them. Hey! Stop. That's gust. That's what I call it. Gust. Oh man. Yeah, it's feeling bad, bro. I think I never seen winds like this year ever. I don't think it ever been this bad. This is a type where stuff start falling. You might lose a tree or a branch. Damn. Y'all, some crazy stuff. Cause I think I've never seen